Hi guys.
Back in the operation room.
Man, say hi to the video.
She got lucky she's only got right here at the store.
Okay.
Here's the
got lucky.
dog.
I got lucky. Mine grew
Here.
right at the right spot. And I don't think
And I'm making chicken place.
Let's
Let's go. Wow. There's so many stores in here. Look. Wow. That's a picture. Mom, look at this line.
Well, adding the stuffing
Oh,
is no extra
hey.
charge. It's just the price of the teddy bear to add the
See
stuffing.
the East
Now, so
Commission.
since y'all are still looking at bears, do you mind if this family looks at sounds?
Yeah, they can go first.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, come on over here, y'all.
All right.
So next to the side, if you like to add sounds to your furry friend.
Making chicken salad?
Put
Huh?
it in your own voice.
Which is $99. Which is $9. Oh boy. I can't wait.
Holding our own sound.
Okay. I'm ready for it.
Oh, really, really
Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and press buy. Press buy. Yep, and then it will record it onto there, and you just leave it to sit. And it will record whenever it feels like. Sometimes
Yeah.
it takes a
Wow.
Do not remove the chip.
while. All right, now you can pick up the chip. Give it a squeeze, one squeeze. Make sure it hooks.
Okay, here we go.
Put that inside here.
Yeah. That's the Easter commercial in the 1980s.
I remember
Cadbury bunny.
Cadbury eggs. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Go ahead and press name me.
Okay. I put the name me. That's right. Oh.
And then continue.
All
Now,
right.
is this rabbit a gift for someone? Or is it
Yeah.
for you? Okay, so put in your own information here.
All right.
Like no. And then finish. Okay.
A. August. What year is it? Oh, there he is. It is a girl.
Nope.
And then just next.
Just click next.
Yep, you got it.
Buckety Bunny!
Here.
She's everywhere. I've been coming here very much.
I hate that YouTube channel.
Come on, Rihanna.
All right, let's stop this. That is quality shoes, though.
Wow.
True story. If you ever get an opportunity,
Yellow.
do it. They last a couple years.
Oh, do you like that scent in the head or the tummy?
Tummy.
All
Tummy,
right.
tummy.
Tummy, tummy, tummy.
Tummy, 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 tummy.
Tummy, tummy.
Tummy.
Okay, I'll like this kid.
We gotta stow the stuffings in him.
Yeah, actually, this is not attached to anything, so I'm gonna have to add some stitches. Yes. All right, then can I have an
Buckety
email?
Bunny.
Probably would be SHANRAYE 44
SHAN
RAYE
RAYE
44 at Gmail.
That'd be $20 gift card
Wow.
or $10 if you
A diploma.
Nah, I don't want to buy any gift cards.
All right, and then how would you like to carry our little friend home here? We do have bags you can carry along with them. They are specifically made for with that in here.
Bobok. Thanks for watching. And look, I got this. I got this Buckety Bunny. So thanks for watching. Pretty good.